Hi, this is the re-recording of how to create groups and get them ready for Eventbrite. So we're going to start here. I've already downloaded, but I'm going to show you the process of how I download. I've downloaded 1 and 2 of Unit 1, and I've done the 1 of Unit 2. So I'm going to go ahead and find Unit 2, Parts 1 and 2 here. And I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to go down to reporting and hit event reports. Then I'm going to go to custom question responses. And I'm going to ask it to show columns. And I'm going to deselect all because I don't want all the information. What I do want is the custom questions. I want the email, the first name, the surname, and then I want the event name. If you notice, when I update my report, you will see what the report looks like here. This order number defaults, and so you have to keep it. So I'm going to do a CSV, and I am going to erase this information because you do have to save the CSV file. And I've been putting these in. So I put in the date of the session. I made a mistake. 6/10/24, Unit 2, Part 1 and 2. And this is the second batch of tickets. I'm going to click Save. And then when you have done this with all the events that you're recording for that time, you go to the letters training by training date. And I have one created for that, but I'm going to show you what to do. Let's move this. Nope. Okay. So I'm going to rename this sheet 6/10/24, Unit 2, Part 1 and Part 2. And I'm going to hit enter so it saves, and that's where I am. Then I'm going to go to import, upload, browse, Unit 2, the 1, the first 25 tickets, and I'm going to replace the current sheet. And then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to import, upload, browse, going to grab the second batch of 25, and this time I'm going to append to the current sheet. Then you can get rid of this row, and then up here you can delete this column. Okay, so then you have your event name, first name, surname, email, school name, learning community, And you just need to spread your columns out so you can see a little bit better. And then you can go over and just copy this information here and paste it here. And you have everything you need. You're going to grab this to freeze that first row. And then you're going to sort your sheet A to Z. And this gives you an idea of how many are coming from each one. We have had to number in the past of how many are from each school. I don't know if you still need to do that, but it does help organizationally if you just see all the schools in alphabetical order. From there, you will go to your CMS sheet that contains, do I even have it here? Okay, yes. So we scroll down to June 10th, Unit 2. You're going to grab both of these, copy, and put them here. Okay, that didn't work. So let's try that again. So I'm going to grab this one. And then I want to get her Zoom link. And put it here. And it would be very helpful if they did not do what was just done with this link, because I have to put the actual, you do need to put the actual link in when you go up to the event. So we go to the online event page now. And we are going to erase this because we don't need this anymore. Put the link here and type in her name. Here, we're going to increase to heading 1, and we're going to use the terminology here. All attendees in schools will attend this session. We're going to save that. And continue. And we are good for that one. So we'll go back to our events, and we know that we've gotten the 2. So now we need to get the 1 for Unit 2, which is right here. We're going to go to our online event page. We're going to change the link to the Teams link that we had. Excuse me, I did the wrong thing again. Facilitator is Debbie Wrighton. Go down here, increase the heading, and then click Save. Now, when they view that, you can see this is what the attendee will see is as they get those emails, they'll just click this button and it will take them to their event. So this is what you do for grouping and for getting them ready for their emails.